Hi, this is Greg DeVries, the meditation coach. Welcome to this section on perfecting your practice. By the time you get to this section, you should have been meditating for quite some time now and probably have a good habit of doing it every day. At least I hope so. This section is all about making that time even better. How do we optimize our time in meditation? I also discuss some advanced techniques such as open eye meditation. Up to this point, you've probably been keeping your eyes closed during meditation. So I talk about when is it appropriate to do open eye meditation. We'll talk about little tips that I've learned over the course of my meditation practice that have helped me tremendously. By the way, don't be surprised if you do from time to time hit a plateau during your meditation practice. And a plateau can manifest in different ways. It may be just resistance, extra resistance to meditating. That's an easy one to overcome. You just need to stick through it. You need to go back through the videos and see all the reasons why you need to meditate, particularly the stress section. Also, during this section of the course, we're going to talk about all kinds of nuances for meditation, things that I've learned, things that I've picked up from other people, things that will hopefully help you. Also, if you've been engaging in this class, you've been asking questions, the chances are I'll put most of those kind of bonus videos or those frequently asked question videos in this section. So always check back to make sure there's not something new that perhaps you may have missed. Well, welcome to the section on perfecting your practice, and congratulations for coming this far with the course. Most people are not willing to make that kind of investment in themselves. So my hat's off to you. Namaste.